user in our list sana. So for the users, the G option pane that show message dialog na nakabutang doon na welcome, no? And if a match is found, it display a message saying na welcome, no, followed by the usernames. So otherwise, it show an error message. So the code G option pane that show message dialog, this invalid user or a password. So next is switching panels rather. So the clickable is don't have an account, label it user, switch the registration panel. So next is the new account that add mouse listener, open and close parenthesis, the new mouse adapter, public void, and this part is the uses card layout to change a current view from a login screen to the register screen. So finally, we return a panel, no? Not a code return panel. So this means that the entire login panel is now ready to be displayed in our application. So and that's how the and that's all, no? And that's how this Java Swing login panel works. So it combines user interface design with basic login authentic users and navigate between panels. Well, this apps is simple yet powerful setup, can be expanded into a full application by connecting it into a database for a real user validation. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new about building GUIs in Java Swing.
Good day, ma'am. So in this video, we'll explore how the create registered panel method function works in Java Swing. This function builds a registration form panel like what you see in typical sign-ups page. So let's start with creating the panel. So this line creates a panel, G panel, which acts like a container for our form components like text fields, buttons, and labels. Then we set its layout to grid bag layout. So morning flexible layout na mag-manage o mag-allow sa precise control sa ato component placement like row by row, column by column. So next is setting up grid constraint. Here we define a grid bag constraint objects. Imagine mo siya mag-set of rules telling Swing how and where to place each component sa ato grid. The first is inset. Mo siya mag-add ng little space or 4 pixels around sa ato element para di siya mistake. The next is fill equal horizontal, means ato component will expand horizontally to fill the grid space. Dire na punta sa adding a title. Next, we create a title label called registered. We also center the text and make it bold with larger font para mo stand out siya. Mo siya mag-serve as ato header sa ato form. Next is at creating input fields like gtech fields, first name. These lines mo ni mag-create sa ato text and password fields. So each fields nato is mag-give siya ng width of 15 columns. Just controls how wide the input box appears. Now we got fields for first name, last name, email, username, and password, plus a confirm password field. Next is a checkbox and button. Here we add a checkbox for agreeing to the terms and condition. Morning common requirements sa signing up like kung sa Facebook. Then we add a sign up button which user will click to register the account. Now back to the login link. So this create a label that look like a clickable link. Notice the HTML underline tag. Visit its color to blue and change the mouse cursor to a hand symbol. Just like sa ato actual web hyperlink, this will usually take user back to the login screen. Next is ato pag-placing components sa ato panel. Now it's time to position our components. We use the grid coordinates X for columns and Y for rows. Setting grid width equal to make the title span across two columns for better centering. Now sa ato adding labels and fields. So each time we do the grid or GBC dot grid plus plus, if we move tag one row paubos. Then we first add a label like first name and then sa itong mga corresponding text fields below it, like itong last name, email, username, o password. So row by row, we build a clean vertical form layout. The grid bag layout helps align everything, while the constraint is ensure yung consistent spacing. These methods return a ready-to-use JPanel which can later be added sa ato main frame or card layout for GUI application. And that's how the create register panel method function works. So we create all the forms components set ato diya set up via layout using grid bag layout, and ato siya i-arrange with grid bag constraint. So sa ato next part is we could connect these forms to event handlers, like what happens when you click tong sign up or go back to login. So that's all.
So now I will show the output. So this is the output, and if you have a account already, you should sign in. So example, username, you should enter the username and a password as well, and click the login button. I should press the login button. Subscribe, a password. Should click the login and confirm. So next, if you want to create another account, just click the create an account and just fill in of what being asked, the first name, the last name. It is an example. So first name, last name, you should fill out the email address and the username and a password, and also you need to confirm your password, and you should check the terms and condition and click create a account. So click the create an account and just press the OK button, and yeah, that's it. You have a account.